So, I made, well, I just made a 3.5 hour video where I recorded myself, and somehow it didn't save properly, so I can't show you a time lapse, unfortunately, but I'll do another one some other time. I don't know when I'm gonna get 3.5 hours to program again, but we'll see. No, I'll show you. I mean, I've been doing a lot of work on this, so I'll show you a few things. I'll just run it, and I'll show you what it's like. So let's just go in here, release. Alright. So I added shortcuts, which shortcuts are really nice. So I can just do Control N, and it pops up my new dialog box. So then I'll pick my tile sheet and my item sheet, and my width and height, which I'll just pick smaller amounts, so because I don't know, because Cam Studio's making it go slow, I bet. Well, I just assume, but whatever. So you know, you lay your little tiles. Bucket fill works. It's just not as optimized as it should be. And oh shoot, I have to fix that. No, that's a pain. Whatever. Okay. So Control B is brush, Control Shift B is bucket, Control W is warp, Control Shift W is a warp dialog, which frickin' Nico will make me eat. No, I'm just kidding. it was a pain. And then Control N is new, Control S is save. Oh crap, I forgot you can't do that. Alright. Do not save, and then just decide not to save. Alright, well, let's create a new one real quick. So, the other thing about that, oh yeah, and then Control L is load, but, you know, whatever. I don't have anything to load, so it doesn't matter. Probably should do that, yeah. Alright, so then, you know, you just lay different tiles here, different layers. I'm not really, oh yeah, I forgot, it's not visible. And then you can do Control 1 to set 2, 3, 4 to set the layers, like that, and then you can do Control Shift 1, 2, 3 to set the visible layers. And then see, there we go, look at that beastness. And oh yeah, I forgot, I have to get it, Nico, you can figure this out. I have to get this to render over here differently. But you know, solids, health, death, solids, you know what I mean? I just own. And you don't have to show that if you don't want, just Control Shift 4 so you can show your solids or whatever. And then so then you can work on different layers. So like, let's say layer 2 is just gonna be this stuff, and you're like, oh crap, my table corners are stuck under my, I don't even know what I'm talking about, but you know, you just disable your layers. Boom, boom, boom. And then let's check out the items. The items are laid 16 in 16, they're laid by 16s, so you can just lay a shitload of them. And then hopefully my item remove thing works. It's close enough. I know what I did wrong. At least you can remove items now. I did the coordinates a tiny bit off, but that's okay. The main idea was so you could remove items, and you can. I'll fix it later. My eraser works, as you see, and just, you know, change it to layer 1 and you can get these babies. And then bucket fill works. Doesn't work on bigger things. I have to optimize it. Well, it does, but it's slow. Whoop. What the heck? Buckets. See, that happens sometimes, which isn't the best thing, but I'll fix it. There's still things you have to fix. Engine runner will not work, but you know, whatever. And then NPC creator. So you created NPC, so we're gonna create it. Luke, and texture location. It's gonna be this. It's gonna be that texture, and we're gonna actually, I'm just gonna output it as Luke.npc. We're gonna start him at 33. His energy level is gonna be 100. Oh, pain in the ass, I'll have to fix that. I guess energy level will be 99. I can fix that really easily. Now he's going to be a 32 by 64. And he's going to be level freaking 50, because I'm a beast. He's going to be... No, I'm not that friendly. And his dialogue would be... Hello, man. I'll figure out how I can get that to be up there. Actually, it'll be... Death to all. So that's what he's gonna say when you get to him, and he'll attack you because he's not friendly, I think. I don't know. So then that's that, and then what you'll do is you'll come over here and you'll see in here, because this is where I should save, I think, Luke.mpc, and we'll see what the format is. I don't remember what the format is exactly because it was a long time ago, but yeah, see, texture, all the information, dialogue, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So that's my NPC creator. You know, oh yeah, warps. I mean, oh, I have to create a new map to show you warps. I'll show you warps real quick, because warps are pretty cool. If you think of, oh yeah, warps are pretty cool. See, just start warp, end warp, start warp, end warp, start warp, end warp, and then you can also do your warp dialogue, which will start it at, and this goes by tile, so tile 1 1, which should be right like there, 1 1, and then we'll end it at 5 5, and see, you can do that as well if you like, and you know, you can control shift W to get your warp dialogue, or control W just to change it to the warp again, and then control E for eraser. And there's no warp eraser, which I probably will have to put in a bit. But you know, we're gonna add a couple bows and arrows around. Then we're gonna be like, no, I don't want these bows and arrows, so we're just gonna delete them. Alright, that's it for now. Hopefully I'll get some new videos up soon. Later. Just find this Cam Studio.